So it ain't exactly finished, so it ain't exactly pretty yet, but I'm real happy with the way this latch turned out. Got a clamp to keep it latched down, and a pull pin, and let's see if I can get close enough. This little ramp. This is all a JK swing arm, carrier mount. Pardon the angle, it's a little cramped here. And I added all this section on. And first I added this clamp, but it still had some play back and forth. And I didn't want to clamp it down so hard as to foul the bearing on the other end. But it's worked out real well. Shuts nice and solid. And if you move it, the car shakes, not the mount.